Welcome back to Turbo Rider. Today we are diving deep into one of the most talked about machines of the year, the all-new 2025 Kawasaki KX500 dirt bike. After years of anticipation, Kawasaki has brought back the legendary 500 cubic centimeters two-stroke, now upgraded with modern technology, advanced electronics, and aggressive design. Let's break down everything you need to know. Engine and performance. At the heart of the 2025 KX500 is a 499 cubic centimeters, liquid-cooled, single-cylinder, two-stroke engine. Unlike the older versions, this model comes equipped with electronic fuel injection, giving it sharper throttle response and better fuel management. Kawasaki has redesigned the power valve system for a broader power band, making it easier to control that raw two-stroke power. The programmable ECU allows riders to fine-tune the bike's performance, whether for motocross tracks or desert racing. Frame and suspension. The bike is built on a new aluminum perimeter frame, inspired by the KX450F, making it lighter yet incredibly strong. For suspension, Kawasaki has fitted Showa 49mm A-kit-style spring forks at the front and a fully adjustable unitrack shock at the rear. This setup ensures excellent handling and stability, whether you're hitting big jumps or tackling rugged desert terrain. Brakes, wheels, and tires. Stopping power comes from a 270mm front pedal disc and a 240mm rear disc, paired with Nissan calipers for strong and progressive braking. The bike rolls on DID Dirt Star rims wrapped in Dunlop MX-33 tires, offering durability and grip across a variety of terrains. Electronics and rider aids. Kawasaki has stepped up the game with modern electronics. Riders can switch between different engine maps using the handlebar-mounted map selector. Optional traction control is available for improved stability, while the Rideology app allows smartphone connectivity for ride data logging, diagnostics, and tuning. A launch control mode also gives racers an edge off the starting line. Ergonomics and comfort. The bodywork, seat, and shrouds have been redesigned to provide better rider comfort and control. The foot pegs are wider and placed lower for stability, while the adjustable handlebar mounts let you find the perfect riding position. Kawasaki has truly focused on rider-friendly ergonomics, variants, and design. The 2025 KX500 comes in two main versions: KX500MX, a motocross-focused version, lightweight and aggressive; KX500X Desert Edition, built for endurance, with a larger fuel tank, reinforced radiator, skid plate, handguards, and longer gearing. Visually, the bike retains Kawasaki's signature lime green color scheme with bold KX500 graphics, giving it a modern yet classic Kawasaki look. Price and availability. The KX500MX is priced at $10,499, while the Desert Edition comes in at $11,299. Kawasaki has confirmed that the first units will hit dealerships by November 2025, with pre-orders opening as early as September. Conclusion. The return of the Kawasaki KX500 is a perfect mix of legendary two-stroke power and cutting-edge technology. Whether you're a motocross rider chasing podiums or an off-road enthusiast ready to conquer deserts, this bike delivers unmatched performance and adrenaline. This is a true game-changer for dirt bike lovers, and Kawasaki has made sure it lives up to the hype. Thanks for watching Turbo Rider.